Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the VR box so it performs reliably. First, charge the headset or insert fresh batteries. This prevents mid-session shutdowns. Once done, clean the lenses gently with a microfiber cloth and peel off protective film so images stay sharp. Next, check your phone, remove bulky cases, confirm it fits the slot and that screen orientation and size match the adapter. This avoids slippage and alignment issues during gameplay. You now insert and align the phone for the best view. Open the front tray, place the phone centered horizontally and vertically, then secure it so it won't shift. Next, power the headset and launch your VR app. In the app, adjust the interpupillary distance by sliding the lenses until you no longer see double images, because proper IPD prevents eye strain. After alignment, lock the tray and test with a short 30-second scene to confirm comfortable focus and track. You finish by fitting and testing everything to ensure a safe session. Tighten straps so the headset sits snugly without excessive pressure. Make sure the nose gap is clear for comfort. Then test audio, pair any Bluetooth controller, and verify head tracking with a simple rotation. These checks prevent interruptions. If visuals are blurry or drifting, stop, re-clean the lenses, recenter the phone, and fine-tune the IPD. This single troubleshooting step solves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.